but we've got a management waiting by. KPI Green Energy, they reported their Q1 numbers. They reported a steady performance in Q2. The company witnessed strong revenue growth while the EBITDA margin was a bit under pressure. They have 540 megawatts of projects in their order pipeline. To discuss the earnings and more, we're now joined by Faruk Patel, the Chief Managing Director at KPI Green Energy. Sir, before we get chatting about Q2 and the performance, just wanted to get an update on your fundraising plans. You have a board meeting scheduled today. In the AGM, you had indicated that you want to raise some money via the QIP route. Can you tell us the amount that you're looking to raise, by when, and any indication of the pricing?
Thank you very much. QIP, we are basically required for the new government project which we have bidded for the Gujarat government, and we won that project for the 240 megawatt. And the project size is say about 900 crores, and for that we require the equity in that. So we are going to up to 300 crore rupees we are going to raise in that, and this will be happening in next 3 months.
Okay, you will be raising 300 crore rupees via QIP. Can you give us a sense of whether you've seen any interest from institutions in this QIP? You must be arranging road shows, because right now institutional holding in the stock is low. Do you expect more funding to come in from institutions in this fundraise that you're planning?
Of course, the people from the QIP, means institutional, because SBI CAP is leading that thing, and we will do the roadshow and all these things if the needed, and we will. I think we will complete this 300 crore rupees in a very near future.
You said, sir, this is for a Gujarat project of size 900 crore rupees. So 300 crores is sufficient, or would you need to leverage up?
No, 300 crore rupees, and the rest of committed by the banks for the debt.
And what would your debt holdings then look like?
2:1. As you know, we are not going to make it more than 2:1.
What would the absolute debt number be, Dr. Patel? What would the absolute debt number be currently?
Currently, I think 550, and next will be 550 again.
Okay, so you will have around 1100 crore rupees of debt to commission, basically to fund the new government project in Gujarat that is coming up. So let's talk about your numbers this time. You've seen a steady performance. Can you give us a sense of where did the order come in more from? In which of the segments? Was it wind? Was it solar? And what is the margin outlook? Will you continue to see the margins at current 29 to 30% mark?
I think margin will go arise in solar, because of the solar panel rates are gone down because of that. And the second thing is on the 4th of this month, the Gujarat government has declared the RE policy, where we are going to get the more order in the hybrid, where the solar and the wind mix, and that will be a very big benefit to the company.
You said the Gujarat government has come out with a new policy document on renewable energy?
New renewable energy policy.
New renewable energy policy. Okay,
yes,
and can you tell us a little bit more about this policy from Gujarat? What is the aspiration to, in terms of the overall...
In this policy, government has take all the renewable source will be in a one parity, like wind or biogas or the solar. They came in a one parity, where the all banking and charges and all will be in a one parity, and the hybrid also. Because of that, people now who are the captive user, they are very facilitated by the policy, and because of that, the people will go on to the renewable energy.
Okay, all right. So how much higher would margins be in the solar energy segment versus wind? And what does that mean for your margins? Will you be focusing more on solar as a segment? What is the split right now, if you can give that to us?
Today, we can say from the last year, we have started the hybrid. So in that hybrid, of course, the wind is more and the solar is the less. But as you know, we have already the portfolio of 350 megawatt solar, and today we can say we are if we go into the hybrid uh, of for a 1 or 2 year, still we are be ahead in a solar than the wind.
Okay.
So, sorry, can you repeat? Solar is currently 315 or 50?
Total till today 300 and say, to be very specified 46 something.
346. Okay. And you're planning to add some wind energy too.
Yeah, we are planning to put more the hybrid. In hybrid,
Okay.
see, the same evacuation, same evacuation. You put the wind and you put the solar in the same evacuation. That's the main thing in the wind. And the same charges for the, for example, for the 1 megawatt X charges are there. Now here is the 1 megawatt wind and 1 megawatt solar together. You have to pay the same charges.
Okay, understood.